So Jill noticed that there's a pier here at Bangor, so just a few minutes literally down here, and I'll just show you the entrance to the pier. There's an honesty box there where you can put money in. It's 50p each, I think, for adults, and it's £1.50 for the car park. I did see people coming in and not putting any money in at all, but you know, that's up to them. So we'll walk along the pier very quickly and basically take a look. Oh, is that Beaumaris over there, did you say?
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah, we think it is, and they've got a big, yeah, there's a castle by the look of it, and also there's a big wheel. I don't actually know whether you can see it or not. Wait there, can I zoom in? You might be able to see it. Just zoom out. There we have the go. And of course your owl telescope, and when I say owl, I don't mean old, I mean owl as in ooh, 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 owl. Did you like that? Some seats, you know, it's still nice. I've got my hoodie on, but it's still really lovely. Looking at the boats over there. Still going to be a while till the sun's coming down. A really nice view over there as well. Over towards what we think is Beaumaris. We've come later on, just before tea, so it's all closed now. The shops are closed, but we'll have a little look. We'll have a little look and see what we can see. Find what we can find, and I'll walk straight down to the bottom as well, so that a little bit of an add-on for you for Bangor. So if you come out for a day and all for under £1, I doubt you're going to get it like that, well, you can come and have a look. So a little shop here, and you know, you can get some baby clothes and other things in there. Shells and cups, postcards, some jewellery, you know, that kind of thing. And same kind of thing over here with some stuff for the kids as well, as you can see. Lovely jubbly. Allen's Woodcraft. Postcards, toys, handmade woodcraft. Crab buckets, crab lines and crab bait. You can also fish from here, apparently. And the prices are on the next to the gate, on the buildings there. I looked on the right hand gate as you're looking down here, or the right hand building. There's nothing like a pier. There's nothing like a pier. I'm so glad that we have them, you know. When you come to a holiday town like Bangor or Llandudno here in North Wales as well, which isn't too far away, they've got a great pier. If you ever go to Llandudno, I have flown my drone at Llan. I need to go back there and do a walking tour really with this camera, because I don't think I've used this camera there. I could have brought my drone, but I didn't want to carry too much out today, but both of us are shattered. Jill had to go to the hospital here at Bangor as well, for her MRI scan, and that went well. A couple of more shops here, or that were shops. One you can't see in at all, it's got shutters down. Oh, you can. It's got a little sink in there, wonder what that's for. I wonder if you... Let's have a look. Yeah, I wonder what it was for. I don't know. Got an old fridge in there and a bin. Both of these seem empty. We have moved to the green kiosk while renovations are taking place. I see. So they're renovating. Bit of renovating going on. Considering though, if they are renovating, they don't look that bad. This pier really comes out quite far. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I'm not going to lie. Okay, it's not as big as the one at Llandudno. You wouldn't expect that, but and I don't want to be too long because I want me tea, I want me dinner. I'm starving. So we'll quickly walk to the end. There's definitely some things going on here. By the look of it, one of the little buildings is a cafe. Eat in or take away. Seafood chowder. There's nothing like a bit of seafood chowder. I've seen clam chowder. I wonder if that's what, well, that's seafood, isn't it? Maybe that's what it is. We now serve seafood chowder. The whistle stop on the pier. Bangor's little pearl. There you go. So that's the whistle stop, just there. They're closed now, of course. Cream, tea, try our famous homemade scuffing with clotted cream and jam with tea or coffee, £6. Fancy an ice cream, various flavours, tubs, cones and ice lollies. Were closed. That's because they were open earlier, but I've come late. Sorry, we're closed, and they've got art for your walls in there and whatnot. Saw a really big helicopter coming over here before. Right, so I'm going to stop filming, and I feel as though I've walked right across to the other side. I'm not joking. So I'll stop filming now, and I will film at the end. Right, so after what feels, I have walked 3/4 of the way over, and over that way is Menai Bridge, and then here, and it's still open. Welcome to the Pavilion Cafe. So that's cool. It's still open tonight, and you can get your ice cream there. Red Boat ice cream, lovely. And hope you'll enjoyed that. But we're not going to go in there now. We are just going to have a look at the very end of the pier. That's what I've walked up down for. Oh, it's nice in there. I like them lights. Really nice. And place to sit there. Yeah. In memoriam of the school ship HMS Conway, moored off Bangor Pier, 22nd of May 1941 to the 13th of April 1949. That's what that's about there. There you go. And now we're 3/4. Oh my goodness, look at that. I wasn't expecting that there. Just loomed up at me. Wow. So, turning around. Some amazing buildings over there with some amazing views. Especially there's a place over there I really like. Menai Bridge is right over there. The Menai Bridge. So there we have it. And they got the Pier of the Year here as well. Don't know what year, but it says it on there, Pier of the Year. That's fine, and I can see why. It's lovely. It's really nice. It would have been lovely on here earlier on. Anyway guys, I am going to get going now. I'm going to head on back, but before I do finish filming, there's some nice buildings over there as well. And you have to see the rest of the coast over there of Wales and then looking round, and I'm nearly out of battery as well. I've got to charge the battery on this. I've done well filming today. I've been round that home, that stately home. I've filmed around the place where we're staying, and now filmed round here, and the battery's still going. So I can't grumble really, can I? Great little camera this. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to get going now. I doubt I'm filming later. I may take a few shots of the place we're staying at the hotel in the evening to take some night shots of the place. Other than that, I don't know whether I'm filming tomorrow. There is a possibility we're going somewhere. Depends on the weather. Subscribe. You'll find out whether I do or not. So yeah, like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. And I think I've just spotted another castle. Ciao for now. Bye.